Hi and welcome to Take Time to Create. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute Easter decoration using a lot of items from my local Dollar Tree. And FYI, I was compensated for this video. The description section of this video also contains affiliate links, and I will be compensated if you make a purchase after clicking on my links. So to start this project, you're going to need a canvas. And my sample canvas, I'm using one of these smaller canvases, and they're just so cute. I mean, this is a really cute canvas as it is, and they're great to hang up. But I thought I would alter it a little bit and make it into my Easter decoration. For this one that I'm going to show you, I'm going to use a bigger canvas because I'm going to make it a little different, and I want to show you the two different styles. I think these would be so cute if you made a trio, or if you made a big one and a little one, or different sizes. They're just really cute and very easy. So we're going to do a slightly bigger canvas. This one has 3 little eggs that you can get at the Dollar Tree, and I'll show you what we'll do with the next one. First thing you want to do is prep your canvas. I am using Folk Art Sahara Gold color, and I did not get this at my Dollar Tree, but I got it at my local craft store. Sometimes they have paints at the Dollar Tree. Look around, see what you can find. But if you can't find paint, your local craft store has paint usually pretty cheap. Usually it's right around $1, maybe more, maybe a little more. Just pour out a little bit in a tub, and you just start painting it. Now they're not fabric, they're plastic. So it takes a few coats to do, but it's not hard. It only takes a minute. If you wanted to, you could gesso the surface, and that helps prime the surface, and it would make it a little easier, but I figure I'm just gonna paint over it, and it's just fine like this. Now you will need 2 coats of paint. So let me do that because there's no need for you to watch me paint this the whole time. Let me add 2 coats and I'll be right back. So I painted 2 coats, and as I was painting I realized it matched my craft mat exactly. So I thought, oh, that's not very easy to see. So sorry about that. So I put a white piece of paper underneath so you can see it a lot better. I must really like this color. So I painted a couple coats. Now, it would be best if you air dried it between coats because it is plastic, and if you heated it with a heat tool, you can melt it. And I did heat it with a heat tool. Just be very careful. Keep it moving. Don't keep it in one spot or you will melt it. I do have a little bit of bubbles because I'm not very patient. But that's okay because when we put the grass on top, let me show you, it covers up a multitude of sins. All kinds of problems are now covered up. If you have a really dark canvas, you might need to put a layer of white gesso underneath before you start painting, and that will help things a lot. But if not, just keep adding coats, be patient, and you'll get it covered. And these look really cute. So I am going to use green grass again. They have a lot of colors, so if you wanted to put pink grass on, that would be super cute. If you had 3 of these all lined up with different colored grasses and then different little eggs, they would be super cute that way. Mix and match as you want, but I wanted mine to have the same colored grass because that's how I am going to display mine. All right, let's see. Okay, so pull out a little bit of grass. And we're going to kind of make it into a nest shape. This stuff is almost impossible to work with. It's a lot easier just to throw this stuff in a basket, but to actually make a shape with it, it's a little harder, but that's okay. Now, fair warning, this stuff goes everywhere, but that's part of the fun. So I made a little loose nest shape. Just like that. Now we needed to secure it down. And I have my hot glue gun, and it was heating up while I was painting. And I'm just going to start putting a little bit here and there. Now be very careful. It is hot. I have a bone folder, which I kind of tap it down. And just kind of glue around stuff gets everywhere. This is crazy stuff. And it is so cute when it's all done. Just keep gluing and rearranging and gluing and rearranging until you get the nest shape that you like. All right, so I've glued a lot on here and it's not perfect, but I want to glue my eggs in the middle and then I can straighten up the outsides. For this one, I used this package of little eggs. Oh, they're so cute. Look at these little eggs. And all you do is you just take the ribbon out, just like this, and you glue them on in the middle, and that's how they look, and they are so cute. Of course, you know, you're supposed to hang these from a little tree or something like that, but I made it into a little wall decoration. For the bigger one, I just had to use these. Look at these cute eggs. They are so cute. So, all right, so this one I'm using 3 eggs again. I like things in 3s. I think they look good in 3s. And I am using 3 different colors. I'm using the pink, the gold, and the blue. If I use the green, I think it blends too much. I want to have a little bit of contrast. And glitter is everywhere. They do shed a lot. So if you want to keep the glitter from shedding so much, blast these with some hairspray before you adhere it down, and that will help a little bit. But nothing stops glitter. Glitter's everywhere. So then all you do is just take some glue from your glue gun, and you want to put a fair amount down on this. These are so cute. And just stick it in the middle. And this will help adhere the nest down as well. And we'll do the second one. 1 egg in the middle would be super cute. Now this one has a little bit of a bald spot here, so that becomes the bottom. And we stick that down. Now that they're all stuck down, now is the time to come through and clean up the nest mess. the messy nest. And I just take some scissors and I just give it a little bit of a haircut. You can save the pieces that you use for your next nest because it all just kind of mushes together. And here we go. Okay, so there you go. 2 different home decor pieces using items from the Dollar Tree. Aren't they cute? Look around your Dollar Tree. If you don't have the eggs available, if they don't have the glitter eggs, they might have something else that you can put on your canvas. They might have bunnies or other Easter and spring type items. So look around and be creative and see what kind of Easter decor you can make. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and on my blog. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.